Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let's handle some business first. While you're here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, like, share. You can throw a little comment in there. I wouldn't mind that. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video from me. Okay, back to the regular scheduled program. Today we are going to be laying these edges, okay? And I'm going to be using this edge control that I'm testing out. I'm not giving out the name yet, but I promise you I will give y'all further details. I'm just going in with my edge brush and this edge control. We're going to make this a little quick video today. And I'm just going to go in, not taking a lot of product. And I am just going to go in and lay, okay. Oh yeah. I'm so ready to drop the details on this already, guys. Do you see how quick that was to lay these edges? Oh my gosh, like I'll be picking out some bomb products. I ain't even gonna lie. I just cannot wait to share the details with y'all. Go ahead and lay this part right here. And okay, now we're gonna go on this side. And like I said, I'm not the best with laying my edges, y'all, but your girl be trying. And do y'all see that hold on this though? Like, I am shook, honey. Edges are literally snatched. Okay. Again, just a little bit more. Okay, and we're done pretty much. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Body by Bree Platinum Head Wrap. I'm just gonna lay my edges for 10 minutes. Okay, lay these for 10 minutes, and these hair wraps will be on sale. I will let y'all know further details when I get more information about it, but I'll be back in 10 minutes to show y'all the final results. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It's been 10 minutes and it's time to reveal the final results. And just like that, snatched. Just, baby, when y'all get a hold of this, just wait on it. So I mean, that is pretty much it, you guys. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe like I already said, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.